Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. Read the given statements and answer the question. So statement 1 says it includes unicellular as well as multicellular fungi. Second, in multicellular forms, hyphae are branched and septate. Third, conidiophore produces conidia exogenously in chain. Fourth, sexual spores are ascospores produced endogenously in chain. Fifth, fruiting body is called ascocarp. So we have to identify the correct class of fungi which have all the above given characteristics. Option A, Phycomycetes, option B, sac fungi, option C, club fungi और option D, fungi imperfecti. तो इस particular question में we have to identify the class of fungi which shows the following features. तो हम जो concept use करेंगे इस question में that will be Ascomycetes and its basic features. Because जो class थी Ascomycetes under the kingdom fungi, it was also called as sac fungi. Because जो इसके sexual spores थे called as ascospores, they were produced in a sac-like structure called as ascus. Hence जो Ascomycetes थे इनको sac fungi के नाम से भी जाना जाता था. Now if we look at some basic features, जो Ascomycetes group का structure होता है, they may be unicellular fungi or as well as multicellular fungi. जो unicellular fungi है इसका one of the जो most famous example है that is Saccharomyces जिसका common name है yeast. Whereas जो multicellular fungi है उसमें जो hyphae present होते हैं they are septate which means इनके mycelium में septa present होता है which makes them a uninucleated fungi unlike Phycomycetes जो कि multinucleated fungi होती है. Moreover इनके hyphae branched pattern में appear होते हैं. Moreover अगर हम इनकी nutrition को देखें Being heterotrophic, ये तीनों तरह का न्यूट्रिशन शो करते हैं. They may be parasitic by causing a number of diseases to variety of host. Secondly, saprophytic. They achieve their nutritional requirement by surviving on dead and decaying matter. Thirdly, ये symbiotic relationship भी शो कर सकते हैं. Moving to their reproduction. जो एस्कोमाइसिटीज होते हैं ये दोनों ही तरह का रिप्रोडक्शन शो कर सकते हैं सेक्सुअल एज वेल एज एसेक्सुअल. इफ वी सी देयर एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन जो इनका एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन होता है दैट इज कैरिड आउट विद एसेक्सुअल स्पोर्स. एसेक्सुअल स्पोर्स वो स्पोर्स होते हैं which do not include any kind of meiosis or we say reductional division. जो इनका asexual spores होते हैं that shows some characteristics that are they are produced exogenously in a chain like structure. ये non-motile spores होते हैं and they are produced on a stalk like structure known as conidiophore. अगर हम इसका डायग्राम देखें इट इज जस्ट लाइक ये जो एक स्टॉक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है इसमें एक्सोजीनियसली फॉर्म में कुछ एसेक्सुअल स्पोर्स लगे होते हैं जो कि नॉन मोटाइल होते हैं दैट आर आल्सो नोन एज एप्लानोस्पोर्स जिनको हम कहते हैं कोनिडिया. जो ये बेसिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक शो करते हैं इन्हें कलेक्टिवली नाम दिया गया एज कोनिडिया. एंड ये जो फ्रूटिंग बॉडी है that is conidiophore. Now if we look at their sexual reproduction, जो इनकी sexual reproduction होती है that is carried out by sexual spores which include the process of meiosis. Moreover, जो इनके sexual spores थे they were called as ascospores जो produced होते हैं in a sac-like structure called as ascus और जो इनकी fruiting body होती है that is ascocarp. अगर हम इसका भी डायग्राम देखें, ये जो स्टॉक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एस्कोकार्प. देन फर्दर सैक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं जिनमें एंडोजीनियसली प्रोड्यूस्ड होते हैं एस्कोस्पोर्स which are produced endogenously forming a chain like structure. This is ascus and this is ascocarp. Now if we look at the options, option 1 says Phycomycetes, option B says sac fungi which is Ascomycetes group. Third says club fungi. Club fungi was also known as Basidiomycetes. And जो D option है that says fungi imperfecti which is Deuteromycetes. Hence the correct answer is option B, sac fungi, which shows the following features. Hence the correct answer is option B. I hope you must have understood it well. All the best.